Hey, it's Dwight Cliff Jr. here with Cliff's Construction back at one of our garage builds. Our client's really close right now to getting their new hobby space, as well as a place to be able to charge their electrical vehicle chargers, as well as additional storage, because right now they got to pull all that lawn equipment outside the back of their house, so major headache saver there. But let me give you a quick walkthrough on where we're at from that last video. We finally got our concrete placed on the concrete apron out in front. That's that short driveway that you have so that you're not driving over grass or you're not having to drive through stone and getting your car dirty. This is just one of the added features. We also have siding installed as well as our cedar trim around the garage. But here's one of the unique things about this project. And because we're in a downtown lot, which means the lots are really close together, and we're so close to the property line, the city required, whenever you get so close to a property line, you need to have a firewall. And I did a video on this week as well. It's called 1 hour fire construction, 1 hour fire rating wall construction, to kind of show you what's underneath this here. And the cool thing about Hardy, it's included in that component, that assembly as well, because you got to have a certain assembly for your wall to meet that 1 hour fire rating. And so, and what that 1 hour fire rating means that if you're on the outside of this building or if you're on the inside and there's fire on the outside, you have at least 1 hour to get out of this building before it penetrates that wall. So that's one of the cool things about this garage here. And if you're in the Indianapolis area and you're looking to have a new garage built, please go to our website right now at www.cliffsconstruction, get that form filled out, and we'll be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.